And still reeling from a week of tragedy, residents of Stirling Castle are asking what if and thinking about how the killings could have been prevented. The police say they are also reviewing the case and have raised a number of issues that need to be urgently addressed.
A child abduction last Thursday, the grisly discovery of her body Tuesday, a mob killing on Wednesday. The past week has thrust Stirling Castle in St. Andrew into the spotlight, with many, including the police, now pinpointing a number of community hazards, especially for children.
So there were some real safety concerns. Even this area that Shanti had to traverse by herself to get home is of grave concern, because it is somewhere that you would not recommend for a group of children to be traversing, much less a child.
But head of the JCF's Corporate Communications Unit, DSP Delia Garrick, says that's not the only concern there.
There are several reports of girls under the age of 16 being sexually assaulted. So there are some real concerns here that the police have been trying to treat with. Sisoka has gone into the areas, they have presented to the residents there. Other agencies have gone.
The cops say in the wake of the recent tragedies, they are now increasing their efforts to address those and other concerns.
I've had some discussion with the station commander not so long ago, and he has indicated that for that general area, they have several meetings. You know, they have community meetings, community WhatsApp groups. They have an effective way of communication, and he's now saying that he is now reaching out to other stakeholders with the intention of keeping a meeting on Thursday at the Red Hills Primary School, where critical stakeholders can come in, and hopefully this time members of the communities will turn out.
In addition to the efforts of the authorities, however, DSP Garrick is making a special appeal to parents.
Your children's safety is your responsibility, collectively as a community, individually as caregivers, and we the police, we're here to educate, to give you that support, but it must be a collective process.
Herman Green, TVJ News.